So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called Get Upside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called Get Upside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Excuse the whole mess in the back seat. I spent all my money on hair care products and now I am homeless. I'm joking. I'm not actually. Guys, don't take everything so seriously. I'm just moving some stuff around. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so I wanted to talk a little bit today about the end of Uber and the end of Lyft. At least in California, Lyft was most likely ending. Lyft is most likely going to go bankrupt because they have been unable to adapt to the current situation going on. And also they're getting sued in Massachusetts, and also by the whole state of Massachusetts is suing both Uber and Lyft. Uber has a lot of money, and they also have Uber Eats and Uber Freight. Honestly, they're chilling, and they have government contracts for coronavirus relief. Lyft, on the other hand, they have no delivery. Like, they don't have an Uber Eats, you know what I mean? Like, they don't have like a food delivery platform, I mean, like Uber Eats does. I know they are delivering some like medical supplies, but come on. Are they really making that much money? It's probably just for their stock price not to go down. And Lyft traffic is way down, and also because of and they're not adapting to what's going on in California. Uber, on the other hand, what has Uber been doing? If you guys have been paying attention to these videos, and to the news, wow, it smells in here. Like laundry detergent, because I have a bunch of laundry in the back. Can you guys see my laundry? Oh my god, it literally smells like laundry. I think I used too much laundry detergent. Uber has adapted to the laws in California. They've introduced Drive Pass, which allows drivers to buy a pass in order to get 100% commission-free rides. It is a little weird that they need to buy the rides, but whatever. They're still compromising in some way, even though it's not good. They're still being smart about it. And secondly is they're allowing drivers to get commission. They're allowing drivers to set their own rates as well. To play with the surge, they can use something called fare multiplier. So they can actually put up fare multiplier up to 5x. I'm not going to show you on my app. I've already showed it in previous videos. You guys can go check those out if you want. Because today we're focusing on Lyft. And Lyft hasn't done any of that stuff. And Lyft is getting sued. Class action lawsuits. And Uber is too, and Lyft is too. But the thing is with Uber has tons of revenue, guys. Uber Eats has increased like a lot. Like a lot of people are ordering food, delivering food. Well, what are they doing with Lyft? Nothing. So many people have stopped doing Lyft. And actually, I just had a rider the other day. She says she usually uses Lyft, but now Lyft is more expensive than Uber as a rider. And I told her, yeah, I usually use Lyft as well for rides, but because it's usually cheaper. But I looked in the app today as well, and Uber is actually cheaper now than Lyft. So Uber's doing something right, and Lyft is falling behind because a lot of riders are not using Lyft anymore. And I know, because I know a lot of Lyft drivers too, and they say that ride traffic is down a lot. And also, Lyft just cut rates for drivers. Like, Lyft is like, come on, Lyft. Did you guys see that? Lyft literally just cut rates. They lowered the cancellation fee to $2 minimum. It used to always be $5. You show up to someone's house, they're not there, they're taking 20 minutes. Now you only get $2 if they don't show up, or if they cancel on you, or if they're a minor, or if, I don't know, they're trying to bring a baby in with that. For whatever case you need to cancel it. Now you could only possibly get as low as $2. Bruh, that's nothing. And also they changed the rate cards in a lot of markets too. So, and now they don't pay you on the way to pick up somebody. For a long time they would always pay you if the pickup was a long pickup. Now you don't get paid on that. So I don't know, I think Lyft is probably gonna go bankrupt because coronavirus is lasting a lot longer, and especially here in California, and I'm sure other places too, other states too, is like, we're now going back into quarantine round 2. No more dine-in. Like, for a while, dine-in was open actually in California. You could go sit down in a restaurant inside, and now it's all closed, everything shut down again. It's really weird. And a lot of schools, universities, they thought they were going to be public in person. Guess what? They're now online. What does that mean for rideshare? It's not look good. Not look good at all. A lot of companies are also working from home. So no more commuting, no more going to school, no more going out to bars, to clubs. Not for another few months at least. Again, more and more. So Lyft could be ending. I think Uber will definitely survive. But Lyft, I'm not too sure about. So Lyft is a good company, big company, but much smaller than Uber, not as much money as Uber, and they could be ending. So yeah, if you're a Lyft driver, and if you hate Uber, if you refuse to drive for Uber and you say, okay, you know what, I'm only doing Lyft, well, I would think twice about that logic, because they could be ending soon. Maybe switch to DoorDash or Instacart or Postmates. I've done Postmates. It's not that good. I made 40, no, what did I make? $35. $35 in about 4 hours. Yeah. Anyways, that's all I have to say. That's what I want to talk about. Thank you for watching today's video. Use the link down below for Get Upside to save money on your gas. Get cash back when you fill up gas. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye, guys.